triple black, 1998 Ford Cobra convertible, 62,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. All right, so we have a triple black 98 Cobra. Obviously it is a convertible. It is a documented 62,983 actual miles, so still has great miles on it. This is a real car to hop in and drive and have an absolute blast with. If you've never driven one of these, they are fun little sporty Mustangs. Being that it is a Cobra, it is your standard 4.6, produces 305 horse and 300 foot-pounds of torque from the factory rating. Obviously your 5-speed manual transmission, your disc brakes all the way around, your power steering, factory heat and AC. AC's nice and cold, heat blows hot. All of your heat and AC controls work properly, switching from the defrost to the floor, to all that good stuff works properly. We're gonna let it warm up just a little bit here and then we'll get on it on our return trip. Other mechanical options, as far as your exhaust goes, does have aftermarket Flowmaster exhaust. So you have mufflers and then tailpipes coming out the back. If it is a 94, 95, obviously being a 5-liter car, or these 96 7s and 8s with the 4.6s, they really drive the exact same. If you hopped in one outside of obviously looking at the hood and you didn't know what year it was, you really wouldn't know a performance difference. And the 4.6s and the 5.0s, especially with Flowmasters, really sound the exact same. Yeah, pulls well in the upper RPM range. Sounds good again with those Flowmasters. The interior on this car is code 4J, which is the black leather. If you know anything about these cars from 94 to 98, the material that was used for the leather is really notorious for not holding up all that well, but this one is in really good condition. You have your normal leather, they're kind of like creases or cracks, whatever you want to call them, but nothing's really torn over here on the driver's seat. The seat foam feels good. Overall, the interior is in great condition. The passenger front seat and the rear seats all are in great shape. Plastics for the console all look good. Dash is nice, no issues there. Door panels check out good. Cobra steering wheel's in really good condition. Another really normal wear item that these get is leather wear on the top and sides of the steering wheel, and this one is in great condition. Your factory Cobra white face gauges all look good, all are functioning properly. Glove box opens and closes correctly. Same thing with your your glove box opens and closes correctly, and the same thing with your center console. That opens and closes. It's not really clicking into place, so it just will open and close properly. You do have in the center console your two Kenwood head unit cases. It does have an aftermarket Kenwood upper and lower stereo there. Speakers are stock style speakers, front and rear. Inside of the convertible top's in good shape. Visors are in good shape. Really the only two items that we have listed as a no on this one is the factory cruise control was not engaging, and then the up and down function on the power driver seat was not functioning properly. I will try to get the cruise to engage when we get out on the open road here. Sometimes you can get them to work, sometimes they still won't work, but right now we do have it listed as a no, and that's how it's going to be sold. So the two items are the cruise and the up and down function of the power seat, but the forward and back does function over here on the driver's side. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Find this vehicle within the inventory tab. Click on it. At the top, you'll see the 20+ photos of the exterior, interior, engine bay, and underneath. Then below that, you'll see the test drive video, which is what you're currently watching. And then below that, you'll see the write-up information, the regular ad set. And at the very bottom, you'll see the additional media section, so you guys can check out the extra photos, all the VIN tags, which are on this car, paperwork, all that good stuff. There you go, there's a good little pull for you. You can break the tires loose if you really get in the throttle like that. Pulls really well, shifts through all the gears exactly like it should. Doesn't grind, no weird sounds out on the open road. Really is a tight driving car. Really, when you get over into fifth gear, you don't really need it. We're doing 60 miles an hour right now, and we're about 1,800 or so RPM, so these are great highway Mustangs. Some fun things to do to them is do a gear swap in the back. You can do some simple things to the motors to get a little bit more power out of them. But even in the stock application, they are a lot of fun. As far as your underneath goes, it's great. No issues of any kind on the bottom, no rust problems, no damage. Really is a good clean car on the bottom. And then on your exterior, it's code UA, which is your black paint. The original paint still represents well. If I was going to do anything, I would have the hood repainted because it does have some little spider crackings, and it does have some pretty good checking on the flat surface of the front of the hood there. You will see photos of that in the additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Inside, underneath the fluorescent lights where we take the photos, it really magnifies the imperfections. Outside, you definitely don't notice it near as bad. But I will say the hood is probably the worst thing on the car, but still, it's original paint. You can leave it or have it reshot if you want to. Rest of the car shows well. It's got little nicks, little flaws, imperfections kind of around the car. Again, you'll see photos of that in the additional media section, but still a good looking Cobra. Power top's in good shape, functions up and down like it should. Your tires are a 2021. I believe they're a Yokohama tire, so a good tire, no dry rot, no cracking, no hard spots going down the road. The Cobra wheels do have some little curb rash and imperfections in the wheels. You will see photos of all 4 wheels and tires in that additional media section. But overall, for the price point of this car, it still represents like a good quality car, something to hop in and really enjoy if you're looking for a kind of a, I wouldn't say an entry level, but a kind of a sub 20,000, middle teens, manual transmission Cobra. And this is obviously a triple black one, which is great. Great miles on it. Suspension is going to be factory equipment, front and rear, all checks out good. No pulling left or pulling right on regular driving or under braking. All of that does work properly. Glass is in good condition, no major issues with the windshield. You do have your rear defrost in the back. You have your little button over here on the left. Works, clicks on and clicks off. Oh, we'll try the cruise control here. Yeah, it's not setting, so something going on with the cruise there, not the end of the world. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, all that's in good condition, works properly. Driving position is great. I always drive with my left hand on the top of the steering wheel. I like the console location here. Roll into it here in second and third. Hear those Flowmasters. Really a no-nonsense car when it comes to the mechanicals. Downshift to third here. Clutch feels good. Inside the trunk checks out. No issues back there. All factory OE. And then same thing with the engine bay. When you pop the hood, you have your little surface corrosion. Just minor stuff, but it's overall extremely clean. This is the numbers matching 4.6 for the car. Wiring's all good, unmessed with. Same thing with the charging system, battery, alternator, all both doing their job correctly. Fluids all check out good. This is a really hop-in, ready-to-go car. The only 2 disclaimers I have is, again, for items not working is the cruise, and then the up and down function on the driver's seat over here. And then you have your paint imperfections, a little curb rash spots on the wheels. But pretty nitpicky stuff there for the price point, for the miles on the car. It really is an awesome example if you want a manual transmission triple black Mustang Cobra. I would feel confident hopping in this thing and driving it absolutely anywhere someone wanted to go. Right, let's see here if we can't do one more little pull. Yeah, for a little 4.6, it definitely runs well. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 1998 triple black Cobra with 62,990 miles from myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars. We always appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we're posting across all of the social platforms every single day, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.